So ironically, my motors decided to stop running right after I put the motor oil in it, but it has nothing to do with it. I'm already into it. Usually 9 times out of 10, it's inside here. It's this coil pack magneto, but everyone goes straight to the spark plug. I usually go to the spark plug first or the kill switch, which I already disassembled. And this one, the kill switch goes in here, so you actually can't disconnect it. If it's messed up, you're gonna have to cut it down here and disconnect it, which I did that, but it's still not running. So it's probably this for sure, or the coil, but the coil never goes bad. And also you can see my connections are soldered. That's a free horsepower gain. When you solder your connections, you will guarantee they're not going to come loose, plus you'll get a hotter and more strong spark. Also, I always wrap multiple layers of electrical tape around this, and you want to check if your motor's not running, if your wires are grounding to your frame. I did all that, but like I said, 9 times out of 10 it's this. And if you can see the white, yeah, it's because this was from the beach. This thing even has calcium deposits in there, but a lot of them will have a wire right here at the top. There'll be a wire connecting it to ground, or the wire will be down here. And if that wire is melted, then that's why these go bad. This one doesn't even have a wire. It has some little plate down there. You can see it. And it's got to be this. I'll take the other one out of my other motorized bike to check. But you can see I put the spark plug. It's really simple. It's just, look how nasty my spark plug is. And it runs great. They're really simple bikes. When they go bad, they go bad. And it's 9 times out of 10, it's this stupid fucking thing. And no one, I've had people perplexed. They can't figure it out. These are $10 on eBay. It's like, I feel like I should have a spare one, but you know, you never know when it's going to go bad.